Today, me and 89 other players strive towards building the biggest village DayZ has seen. There will be friendships made. He's dead. Friendships broken.
Get in, dude, get in! Get in!
And some even settled in a boxing ring.
Eat the mushroom, man. Give me powers.
Kick his ass!
What on earth am I watching? So sit back, chill out, and if you enjoy, drop a like. I had found this car earlier today, and it was full with the building supplies that we would need to start the village. So I went and picked up my friend Pickle, and we went on our way. Oh yeah, is this you guys here?
Yeah. The other guy's in tow, he's under the bridge. I don't want to check your pulse, I want to get in the car. Get in, Jay!
It won't say, come on, dude.
Hey.
Hello?
We'll be honest with you, dude. We're about to leave, and unfortunately we've got no room in the car for you. Otherwise I'd take you with us.
Take it easy, buddy.
See ya.
Yeah.
Sorry, I've only got my provisional at the moment. We had arrived, but we weren't the only ones here.
Hello, hello!
Car in.
Be careful. Yeah, be careful. I don't want to run anyone over.
Being careful.
I just said be careful.
Someone's gonna shoot themselves. Why are you gonna do that? Oh, we've had a death. Proper ceremony.
Yes.
This is where it all
Another vehicle
begins.
coming in.
Most survivors were
That was
building,
unnecessary.
but I was soon designated to the role of moving the vehicles. And well, you'll see. Okay, wish me luck. I mean, it can't be that bad, surely.
You got a plug in?
Yeah. I'd watch out.
Yeah, that's what I tell you. You are not right. Just get out, just get out, just get out.
John, I would assume.
There you go.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
everyone's equal in this village.
No.
We eventually got the vehicles to the village car park, and after recruiting a fellow villager, we went to go and pick up Pickle, who had been out on a loot run.
Some stuff. Can I go with you?
We're not collecting
That's
stuff, we're
very
collecting
kind,
a friend.
thank you.
We are collecting our friend. Sorry.
Is that your boy?
Yeah, yeah.
That's me.
Right, get in, let's go VMC.
Some of the sledge. This man's ruining your play carrier.
No, I've got it.
There he is. I've got a cargo lens, that's about it.
Get in, dude. Hello? Do you need a lift?
Hello?
Is he still in on the store? Do you want to pull up somewhere and I'll get out on foot?
Yeah, if you give me a shotgun, I'll go in and find him. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
We're friendly, don't worry.
Hello.
We were
Hello.
we were the guys in the
Hello.
car.
Alright, cool. So, I
Did you-
thought so. I just a bit nervous, that's all, boys. 'cause
That's
I've been
alright, don't worry
playing
about it.
for a while now. Yeah.
Did you need
You
a
all
lift
good?
anywhere?
No, I'm trying to meet up with one of my friends. Like, my other friend's over in the police station now. You'll see him
Oh,
on
yeah.
the roof of the police station. Don't shoot, though. I told him not to shoot. Yeah, and, we're trying to meet up with my
Pickle,
other friend.
go in
and
the
then,
police station, take out that guy in the police
Gonna
station.
head into the village, or
Oh well.
Sorry, say that again. Sorry,
what are you boys?
what's that?
Oh shit! What's going on? What's going on?
I don't know.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Is he down, yeah? Is he down?
Yeah, and the roof's dead.
It turns out this guy wasn't alone, so we ended their lives. For safety reasons, obviously. And eventually this is going to kill us.
Oh yeah, for sure. No, we really didn't get very far there.
The car was having a mind of its own again, so we had to leave it behind. But we returned to the village, only to find that bandits had been terrorising the residents with campfire bombs.
Oh, God.
Someone's put another one in there again.
What the fuck, man?
Tensions were high, so a boxing ring was made to accommodate for any participants willing to relieve some stress.
Hey, you have a fucking helmet on you. You have a fucking helmet on you. So, take off the helmet.
I don't have time for that.
Take off the helmet.
Why are you hitting him? Real fighters don't. Real fighters don't moan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I need to be patched up. Who's got bandages? Need to be patched up.
Oh, there's so many people up here. Oh, someone's just broke their leg. Oh no, what's happened?
I didn't push him.
Well, you're gonna get Franklin sick. Get out of here.
Okay, wearing a cowboy hat.
I'm wearing a face mask.
Cowboy hat guy.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm gonna go ahead.
I'm gonna need you to be super quiet.
Keep me.
Okay, I haven't seen anything. Yep.
Take his stuff, take his stuff, take his stuff. I took out the cannibal and shared his loot, but I don't think his friend liked that too much, because shortly after... that's not you running down, is it? Oh no, that won't be you eating. Are they friendly, do you think? I was just being blasted. Hey, he's just shot me! He's just shot me! You little fucker.
Who?
He had a big black bag on his back.
Yeah, that was
You,
that
down
was
here.
the mummy, bro.
This guy
You
here.
killed him in
This
cold
guy.
blood.
This guy. He's gonna shoot me. Kill him.
I've seriously got some really cool
He knows who killed the guy dressed as a mummy, and he was going to avenge them.
He did.
Oh,
Someone shouted.
In fact, he did
me.
describe you. He described green army helmet and a black t-shirt as being the person who killed the mummy. So he thought you killed the mummy.
A mummy?
You. The guy dressed as a mummy with the gas mask.
I just got everyone.
Seems like peace has been restored. Who killed this person?
Some residents decided to open up their own gun shop, so we went and checked it out.
We need to start cracking down on crackheads.
Alright, where are the
We need to
crackers?
phase them.
Hey,
Welcome. Would you like to buy some guns
Oh, it's you.
and ammo?
Friendly? Come on in. Peruse the wares, friends.
Hello.
Hi.
So
Right.
fucking good.
Oh yeah, so someone came up to my partner and they were literally like, oh, you're very lucky to have a white wife and stuff. I was like, oh my god, get me the fuck out of here. It was not very comfortable.
we had heard that proper security had been established at the front gate, so we went to go and check it out. Before they think we're a team of bandits about to kill everyone.
It is glitchy.
I very rarely.
I don't get this. What's this staircase about?
Trevor, this is where we get shot.
Yeah.
Afternoon.
Hey,
Hi.
don't mind us.
You're the sheriff.
We just come here to kill everyone. No, I'm joking.
Don't even say it. Don't even say it. Very well organised, guys.
The village was thriving, and a lot of progress had been made. We had everything from an armory
Right.
to med tents, a pumpkin farm, and even a car park where we had it full of vehicles.
Anything, man?
Oh, it's him again.
Just looking around.
Hier ein bisschen arbeiten.
Ein bisschen arbeiten.
Na, ein bisschen. Oder einkaufen?
Verkaufen.
Guys by the deer stand, it's like they're dealing with the looking at
There should be a rag.
Oh, I'm strained. Oh, who tied me up?
yeah, everything.
Medic! Medic!
Righto.
I have this for you.
Someone just emptied this whole barrel.
Someone just stole my gun. Strange thing.
Got what?
This for you. You wanted this, it's got a mag.
I said I needed ammo for my gun.
Yeah, you can have this one.
I have a KAM.
Oh, what rounds does it take?
Takes.
Hey, you stole my gun.
No, yeah, no, I was gonna give it back!
Well, 10 points for stealth.
After messing around for a bit, I got a few people together and we took the Humvee out for a spin. There's a dead zombie right there, so someone's here, because we didn't kill that.
Maybe just someone was here on the way to this.
There's a guy here. Hey dude.
There's a guy. Hey there.
How's it going? Whoops.
Shooting at that with a suppressed local by pistol. I think it was a Mark II because I didn't make the text sound.
Oh yeah, he's running across the field on left. Hold on, hold on. He's dead.
Where is he?
He's in the field on the left. I'll drive over.
Oh, I see. What was that? What happened?
Caught me a Pokemon. Let's go.
Don't go without me.
Guys, get in the car. Let's go. Guys, get in the car.
Oi, please get some food, please. Oh, fuck. Ah.
What have you done?
Just get in the car. Get in the car. Or get on top of the car. Get on top of the car.
Let me get in. Wait, don't run him over. Don't run him over.
Get in, get in, get no.
Open the door. Open the door.
Oh.
Fuck.
Get in!
Fuck.
Get in!
Oh, let me in. No.
Oh my god, that's the king.
Don't press A.
Hold it. Hold it. Get in the car.
No, he's not. He's uncon. He's uncon. There he is. I can see the breath coming from his. He's on. He's on. He's on.
Run him over again to make sure.
Get in, dude. Get in. Get in.
There's someone who takes care of that kid. There was a girl.
This one here.
We're back.
Show the
Southwest.
When we had returned, a dirty thief had tried to steal from the gun shop.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Right here. Yeah.
You stand
Get
there.
behind bars. Get behind bars. Don't kill him.
Come here. Pull your gun out. Pickle! Pickle!
Definitely.
No, don't shoot Pickle! Don't shoot Pickle! No! I think he needs to go into the fight pit with someone to try and redeem himself. The thief had a chance to redeem himself in the form of a boxing match, where if he won, all would be forgiven. And so, the crowd formed and we got underway.
Come on, Blonde.
Are you ready? Ready? Fight!
Eat the mushroom, it'll give you powers.
What on earth am I watching?
Fight in the shadow.
Serve your stamina, Blonde.
Kill it. Rip his head off. Oh, you take that.
Can't do it. Stay dead, can eat it. Stay dead. You can do it.
Yes, Blonde.
The Baba. Double KO.
Well, leave him. One of them will get up. Leave him. One of them will get up.
Oh, he's the winner! Finish him off.
New King of Freshchester.
The thief had won, and was somehow promoted to King of the Village.
There isn't.
But like all good things, eventually they come to an end.
You're sounding pretty suspicious. Oh, I'm dead. Someone's just killed us all.
We had a pretty good run, but the village would have to continue without us. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. What is this guy doing?
Have we got a present?